Aloha! In this video, we'll show you how to set up a measure tracking list on the Hawaii State Legislature's website. Creating a measure tracking list is helpful if you're following more than a few bills at the legislature and want to easily check the status periodically. First, go to the Hawaii State Legislature website, capitol.hawaii.gov. If this is your first time using the interactive features on the website, you'll need to register with your email address and create an account. It's quick and easy, but you can check the Public Access Room YouTube channel for a video on how to do this, or the PAR website for a handout outlining the steps. Once you've logged in, click on the Participate tab and select Measure Tracking. The first thing to do is create a list by giving the list a title. We're going to call this 2026 Measures. You can always edit the name later if you want to change it. Click Show List, and on the right-hand side, it shows that our list is empty. So we need to start adding measures. Type a bill number or resolution number you want to track. Once you've typed in your bill number, then click Add a Measure or use the Enter key on the keyboard. To add more than one at a time, just separate them by commas to make it a little bit faster. You'll want to make sure you don't include periods. Doesn't matter whether it's in upper or lower case, and you don't need to include draft numbers that follow the bill numbers. Just enter bill numbers. You have the option of adding notes to the measures that are going to appear on your report. These will appear in a column on the report. So click Add Notes, and then put a comment like Number 1 Priority. Click on Save, and you can add other notes for other bills. For example, keep Julie up to date. Click on Save again. You don't have to include notes, and remember the notes are only for your own individual list. When you're done adding the measures, click on Generate Report, and the report will generate. This is also where you will go to generate the report again in the future. From the report, the hyperlink on the underlined measure number on the left side of the screen takes you to the measure or bill status page. The report shows the bill title, keywords, or report title, and the bill description. You can see the notes column, current status, introducers, and more. On the far left side, the PDF symbol will bring us to the latest version of the measure, the actual text of the most recent version of the bill. To reorder the report so that it's in alphanumeric order with the smallest bill number at the top, click on the column header that reads Measure. It makes it easier to scan a list of many measures, especially if you're sharing it with someone else. Another useful feature is to sort by the current status of the measures. This is helpful during session if you want to see what on this list has had the most recent activity. Go to the current status column header and double-click on it, which will bring whichever measure has had the most recent activity to the top of the list. If saving this document, be sure to save it in landscape mode so that all the columns of the report are on the same sheet. You can export the report as an Excel document, for example, if you want to use filters or color code it. You can print the report in landscape mode or save it as a PDF and email it to friends and colleagues so they can see the current status of the measures being tracked as of when the report was generated. If you're working on the website and have already logged in and want to go back to the measure tracking page, you can find it in two different places. One, you can go back to the Participate tab from capitol.hawaii.gov and use the drop-down menu and select Measure Tracking. It'll bring us back to the Measure Tracking page, and you click on Show List and then make any changes or generate the report again. Or when you're logged in, go to your account and click on the Measure Tracking box at the top of the screen. Remember, once you are in the Measure Tracking tool, open your list and click Generate Report to produce the list with the most current activity noted. So that's all there is to it. Please don't hesitate to let the Public Access Room know if we can be of any assistance. We can be reached at 808-587-0478 or email us at par@capitol.hawaii.gov. Thanks so much.